Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to remove the background from an image right inside Figma using the Remove Bg plugin. Whether you're working on a quick prototype, tidying up images for a presentation, or just want that clean, professional look for your designs, this method will save you a ton of time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to whip out background-free images in Figma effortlessly. Alright, let's jump right in. So first, you'll want to make sure you're inside Figma. Open up your project or simply create a new file. Anywhere you've got an image you want to work with will do. For this tutorial, I've got a sample image ready to go on my canvas. If you're following along, just drag in any photo you want to try this out with. It could be a product shot, a portrait, even a logo. Next up, let's talk about why you'd want to remove an image background in the first place. Maybe you want to isolate a product for a mockup, create a neat avatar, or place an image against a colored background without that clunky white box around it. With background removal, you open up all kinds of design possibilities and your visuals instantly look more polished. Now here's the super simple magic. Click on your image to select it. You'll notice little squares or dots around the edges showing you it's active and ready for action. It's important to make sure you've got the right layer chosen. If you accidentally pick a group or frame, the plugin might not work as expected, so double-check that. With your image selected, do this. Right-click directly on the image. When the context menu pops up, look for plugins. It should be about midway down the menu, and when you hover over it, you'll see a list of plugins you've installed. If you haven't already set up the Remove Bg plugin, just search for it in the Figma community and add it first. It takes just a minute. But once you have it, you'll see Remove Bg right there in your list. Go ahead and click Remove Bg and then hit Run. Now, here's the part that always feels a little magical. You might see a quick loading indicator or a message telling you the plugin is working. Give it a few moments, depending on your image size and your internet connection. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to maybe half a minute. Don't worry if nothing seems to be happening at first, just give it a beat. And that's it, seriously. In just a few clicks, the plugin will process your image and automatically create a new version with the background removed, leaving just your subject floating freely on your canvas. It's a massive time saver compared to manually masking out backgrounds or bouncing between different apps. You can now use this new image wherever you like in your Figma designs. Try adding it to a presentation slide, placing it on a colored background, or layering it over other graphics. If the result isn't quite perfect, maybe there's a little spot that got missed, you can always use Figma's vector tools to tidy up the edges, but 9 times out of 10, Remove Bg gets it right on the first shot. So there you have it. Removing backgrounds in Figma has never been easier, and it opens up so many creative doors for your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more quick plugin walkthroughs, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this every week. Thanks for watching and happy designing.